What's up, guys? If you are playing NVIDIA, the NVIDIA is about to take off. It's going to blast off. But which way, guys? Is it going to go down or is it going to start running up like it should? Everybody wants to see it come up. Let me show you what we've been tracking here at the bull ring for the last few days. Let's start with the support area, guys. We've come here once. We've been here twice. And this is the third time. Will we come back down here? Because if we do, traditionally the fourth time we start headed down, guys. And the only support I see right now is at 128.78 for NVIDIA. But I'm going to tell you, everything in my experience and everything in the technical analysis I did tells me that we are going to go challenge this area here, the 144. And that's going to start tomorrow. And potentially we will get up to around the 150 area again by Friday. Now, remember, the ATR on NVIDIA is about $6 a day. So from 139, we can make it to 150 in a couple of days, no problem. Now, you guys know, after watching all my videos, I love to code indicators. And look at this. Okay, let's just go through the buy signals, guys. And what happened when we got a buy signal? My call option alert came on up here. Look at that. Did that match or what? Right on the money. All right, let's take a look at buy signal number 2. There it is. Okay, it was a short run, but it was a bull run, guys. There you go, another one. Okay, so the reason I'm going through this, guys, this is the next one, is so you can see the trend that is happening. Okay, look at that call option. Okay, so if you follow me in the bull ring, you made money on this. If you have this indicator, you made money on this. If you want to try out this indicator, guys, I will leave you a link below, and this indicator pays for itself. Check it out. Another buy signal, guys. We don't have the call option here yet, but I do expect it to turn on in the morning. We do have news, guys. Okay. Now, remember, we are seeing a downtrend with NVIDIA. Okay. Look at this regression channel that is showing us, okay, that we are still in a downtrend. Okay, whenever you see something spike out of a regression channel, that only means that it is a deviation. It doesn't mean anything else. It could have been a fake out for people who don't know how to trade, guys. This is how the market makers get you. Okay, so we have a nice bullish trend going on right here, guys. We do have a doji. Okay, that doesn't mean anything. Okay, it does mean that they kept the price at a certain place and they fought back and forth tooth and nail. We do have our little white line here, guys. Okay, look at that. Okay, if we get above the white line, what happened last time we did that? Okay, so we were in a downtrend here, guys. We were in a downtrend here, and then we shot up. Okay, I personally think that we're going to shoot up. I saw something in the technicals, guys. I could tell you about it. It would take me a few hours to explain to you. You're better off checking out my courses, guys. I have courses down below. They are 80% off, guys. So tomorrow, I expect this to go up. It's going to take SPY with it, guys. SPY will go to 610 by Friday. So how do I know SPY is going to make it to 610, guys? Well, you know what? I am so glad you asked. Let's just take a look at these green lines here, okay? I've marked off the actual crossover or reversals, if you want to call it that, on SPY, okay? And there is something that told me this reversal was coming. Okay, I do have call option alerts on each one, guys, okay? Look at that. 1, 2, 3. And now I got a fourth one up here. And guess what? I have that buy signal again, guys, okay? This is easy if you have the right tools, okay? Check it out. These major swings, guys, are easy. If you can set a text alert, you will get these on your phone, and then you will enter the trade, and you will do what I do, okay? Once you get that buy signal, you're going to come here, and you're going to take an entry for profits up to $16, okay? And the next time it happened, you could have taken profits for $23, okay? And the third time it happened, guys, you could have took profits up to $18.50. So where do you think we're going to go starting tomorrow? Well, if the average run, okay, once we flip, is $20, okay, I would tell you we're headed up to 625 area, but it's not. What is the average true range for SPY? If you know what it is, do me a favor, put it in the comments below, guys, okay? If you put in the comments below, add your email, I'm going to send you a special gift. If you said $4.52, you are absolutely correct. Now, let's take a look at this. I'm going to add an info line, guys, from here, okay, because this is going to follow NVIDIA, and I'm just going to mark off $9 in the next 2 days. And we are here, okay? 617 potentially can happen in the next couple of days, guys, okay? This is the average true range. If it doesn't happen, something else happened. It could have been news. It could have been somebody sold off their NVIDIA, or somebody's missing their puppy. I don't know. But if this goes according to plan, guys, we got a buy signal, okay? We are going to see a nice little run up in the next couple of days, okay? So do not hold this overnight, guys. You get profits tomorrow, get out, and then you start again the next day, okay? Unless you truly believe and know, because you're a chartist, that you can hang on, then you hang on. If not, take your profits. All right, and now we have the big talk of the town, guys, is Tesla. And a lot of folks are asking, oh man, how could I have gotten in, or how could I have missed it? Guys, it's very simple. You have this indicator, it tells you there, call option, okay? You don't see a put option up here yet, right? Call option, didn't tell you to get out. Put option, yeah, you get out there, and then you start again here. You take your profits, guys. It's not that hard. If you don't have this indicator, I understand, okay? I'm going to show you how you get in, okay? You just come over and you draw your little wedge, and Tesla is going to continue to give you these wedges on the way up, guys, okay? And when it pops out of the wedge, you jump in with a nice stop loss, and your stop loss should be right under these lines right in here, guys, okay? So I will draw this out for you because I want you to get a good visual, okay? My stop loss goes right here at the bottom, not at the line. It goes under the line, okay? That's where your stop loss goes in. If you would have got in, guys, you would have made a nice trade, okay? Very nice trade. You could even do this for the daily. I'm sorry, for a day trade, if that's what you're doing, okay? Now let's go ahead and mark off what was the next entry you could have taken right in there, guys. Look at that, okay? You can keep doing this all the way up, and you will find entries for Tesla. Now, I just showed you the 4-hour time frame, guys. If you wanted to play this and you're at work, you tell the boss, hey, I got to go to the restroom, and you go draw your chart really quick, guys, and you can see that was an entry because Tesla did pop up. I set a stop loss here, and I make money on the way up, guys, okay? Let's do this again. Nice little wedge there, and this one is a very sharp one, which those are the best. Okay, because you know it's coming pretty soon, okay? And today, as we went through, even yesterday, guys, you have opportunities to jump into Tesla. Now, some people won't do this because they don't know how to do it. Guys, you can do this for as little as $99. Why not learn this, okay? Now, you don't have an entry yet. What you do have is support, okay? Now, you might end up with a wedge in the morning, okay? But you have support now. So what would I do with support? Well, I'm glad you asked. Okay, I wait for the price to come back down to this line around the 421 area, and then I can jump in, and I'm going to set a stop loss right in here, guys. Okay, now you will have wedges happening tomorrow. Okay, you have one right in there right now. You draw this line all the way up here. I'll get rid of that one so you can understand. Okay, either this is going to pop up or it's going to pop down. If it pops down and you want to short it, you put your stop loss up here. If you wanted to buy calls, then you take this and you set your stop loss right there, guys, okay? Don't worry about what the candles are doing. Worry about where your support and where your resistance is at, and you will be able to jump into Tesla, okay? I'm going to tell you where I think Tesla is going, guys. I'm going to make a special video. This thing is going to rocket once and for all. just because of everything that's going on with the government and with all the plans that Elon has. This thing is going to rocket. I will even recommend calls that you guys can buy with an expiration date when you join the bull ring. If you join the bull ring, I will give you this trade, guys, and I will tell you where it's going to go, along with 2 more tickers, and one of those is Netflix, guys. If you want to know if I called Netflix in the past, go back and see my videos, okay? Okay, if you join the bull ring, guys, I give out swing alerts, guys, and this is the first sign that we are going to swing in Allstate. We've been playing Allstate all the way down, guys, and I called that out in the bull ring. If you join the bull ring, you're going to get these alerts. And here is the first swing, guys, that we took. Okay, we got a put option up here, and then we were going to sell down here, and I waited because I wanted to see if Allstate was going to break that support. Sure enough, it did. And this is the alert I sent the team to get out of the trade. And now we have started some calls, guys, and you just got the first alert. We will go in there with more calls as we get higher. And if you join the bull ring, guys, you will get these alerts too. I know a lot of people love to play meta because it pays well. Every green line was an actual alert I sent out, guys. If you subscribe, you will get this via email. You will get it via SMS. The red ones are for a bearish, okay, put option, and the green ones are for call options. As we go up, sometimes people say, is it too late? It's not too late. I tell you when to go in. I go draw my lines, and then I tell you how to get in with meta. All right, the next alert, guys, is Roblox, and Roblox is paying well for one reason. Okay, we had great entries. Plus, this is not only a swing alert, guys, it's got a gamma squeeze in it. And you can see that first one that I took earlier this week, guys, okay? This has a nice gamma squeeze on it. Plus, this trade only costs $50 per contract. Can you imagine, guys? 10 of these is $500. That's the return. Now, I do see something in Roblox, so I started buying my puts because I see a reversal. Can you see the reversal yet? Probably not if you just started trading. This is why you want to join the bull ring, guys. On the 30-minute time frame, we do have a reversal, guys. Check it out. Okay, we already started dipping down. Okay, now this is how I'm going to play this. If we stay under this orange line to begin with, I will keep my puts and I will cut the calls. Okay, look at this. Okay, this support line here tells me cut my calls if we get under it. Okay, if we go above, then I stay in the calls, then I'll cut the puts. Okay, call option alert right there, guys. Put option alert right there. Okay, look, we've been playing this super easy. Okay, Roblox goes slow. It does not move fast. It's not like SPY, Microsoft, Nvidia. So this might be a great play for you. If you want the next swing alert, I will send it to you guys. Join the bull ring. It's cheap AF. Again, I will give you my cheat code, guys. There it is. Buy signal. Okay, and now what turned on today? Sell signal. That tells me beware, coach. It's about to go down. Look at that. Sell signal. Okay. And then we had a nice put option up here when we got that, guys. This is not hard. Okay. And you want to learn it. I've got courses, guys. You want the alert. If you already know how to buy options, sign up for that. And lastly, let's talk about the biggest bull run that's been going on and no one has said anything, guys. And that is Microsoft. Microsoft, since we flipped on our cloud, we've gone up $33. Can you imagine that, guys? Imagine if I picked up the phone and called you and said, hey, I got a buy signal. Bam, there it is, guys. And then we have this. We have a nice cloud flip. We are above the cloud. It's time to rock and roll. Okay, and guess what just happened now? Okay, I have a swing that I am preparing for my team because I have a sell signal. Okay, the targets you see above need to happen. Okay, need to happen for everything to work out in the market, and this is what has to happen first before we get to our first target, guys. We need a pullback. Okay, and that pullback is usually 50% of what Microsoft has already done. And then Microsoft is going to start making a run back up, guys. And we should see this head up. Okay. 484 is very, very doable, guys. When join the bull ring, I'll let you know, guys. It doesn't cost you more than $1 a day to do this. Okay. Why would you not? All right, guys. So that's enough from me. Where is the market going tomorrow? Hey, I don't know, but I do know that it might go up due to the charts. Okay. And the reason I say that, guys, is because we never know what might change in the morning with news. It could be international news. It could be companies announce something at the right time, at the wrong time. But that is what is going on. So if you need help, guys, I'm leaving you links below. Feel free to leave me messages. I can look at stocks for you. If you're thinking of being a long investor in a stock and you want me to check it out and chart it, feel free to drop it in the comments, guys. I will gladly chart that thing for you. Okay. Until the next video, guys, you have a green day tomorrow.